Stocks simplified, profits multiplied. This is the Apex Investor Channel. The update for Monday, October the 25th. Big loser today was ERYP, negative 39%. Big winner, BKKT, up 234%. Of note, Genius was up 51%, and Tesla up 12% to over $1,000 here. So Wall Street bets must be having a big celebration right now. Welcome back. We're looking at AMC, which was up today at $36. Next is Bitcoin, which is up as well. It seems like $1,000 a day. It's at 62,000 right now and approaching 63,000 US dollars. GameStop, I believe, was up as well. I think I just skipped a GameStop. I can't seem to see it. Oh, here it is. It was up to 173.97. And closing out with IronNet, which was up as well. I'll take a closer look at IronNet. And we have a few of these, a few stocks really recovering here. QuantumScape up 10% at $25. Mara, crypto stock, also up 10%. Lucid, great company, has a really big future ahead, $26 now. Ocugen, one of the trades stocks, recovering as well. Good stock in that one. Canon, one of my maybe not favorites, but one of my picks, is up 13%. And Triton, I think it's Triton, Triteris, okay, is up 14%. So we're going to take a closer look at what happened with these trending stocks, in particular DWAC, first of all, was down 10% today, trading between 82 to 121. So this is going to be an interesting week for this stock to see where is support. Again, I believe it is at 45. It's not a pun, it's just my instinct. I think it's 45 is the real support. So I do believe this will go down a little more, depending on what time it dropped and what time it peaked. It seemed the opening was at 120, so it seemed to just drop. It did not recover today, so that is not biting very well. It's not boding very well, whatever you want to say, but it's not looking very good. The volume's pretty good, 65 million, but not like it was last week. So we'll see what happens. I do think this is still looking for support. We have to look at the 5-day chart to really see where that is. I do believe it's at 45 though, and it should come back, take a bounce from there. I don't know if it'll go back to 170, whatever it was, but definitely can go right back up to 100 from if it goes down to 45. Next up, the metamaterials preferred shares, that was trading between 110 to 124, so really threatening to get to the $1 level, which is where I would like it, $1 or lower. Next up, metamaterials. I believe they are down a little bit, just a slight bit today, trading between 439 to 476, so well above $4, which is looking good for us metamaterial heads, or metaholics, whatever you want to call it, but I call us meta heads. Clover is up as well. They were trading between 742 to 759. So looking pretty good for Clover, just a stable day. IronNet saw a recovery 5% today from a low of, I think it was $9 something yesterday. So yeah, that is support. Anything below $10 is support for the stock. It's trading between 951 to 1047. So it ended close to the high, today's high, and not even on a lot of volume either. So this is definitely going to get right back up to double digits very soon. So I think that's it. Okay, I opened IronNet twice. Not sure why. So we'll look into the news if there's any. Welcome back. We've got a tweet from George Pelikaris, and once I saw it, I thought, oh no, not a tweet, because it seems the more he tweets, the more the stock doesn't go up. But anyhow, it's regarding Nanotech and how they built a sophisticated custom automated recombination system as part of their production facility expansion. So I read the article for you. Basically, it's saying that they have a production facility in Quebec, in Canada, and they're able to really print the money basically at their facility using a very complex kind of security features to the nano level, and they're able to do this more efficiently because they're doing it themselves. So I think that's basically the summary of it. We're going to move on to Wall Street Bets and Metamaterials subreddit, see what's going on over there. Okay, here's the first post from Metamaterials subreddit. There's a little bit of an argument going on in the forum, in the subreddit, regarding, FinTel and technical analysis and data regarding numbers of shorts, or not really shorts, but numbers of, or the numbers here, but basically, the numbers that they give us regarding how many shorts, not really, is it shorts? I don't even know the number, what it's called right now. I'm having a brain fart right now. I apologize. Utilization, yeah. So utilization and how many shares are being floated and so on. And some people are saying, this is a bunch of crap. Like, it doesn't mean anything. It's not going to help. It's actual news that's going to help. I think I'm in between. Let me tell you why. Data from Ortex and so on is only the tip of the iceberg. It does give us a hint at what may be coming, so it can be helpful in that way. But overall, when you're looking at what's more important, is it FinTel data, Ortex data, or is it actual news regarding deals, partnerships, contracts, really good news regarding Meta, whether it's a stock split or a dividend or whatever it is. Those news catalysts are really what's going to move the stock price. I'd agree with that point, but I don't think we should just dismiss all the data altogether, just throw it out the window and say it's not helpful. It does give us a hint. It is more like the tip of the iceberg, in my opinion. So that's all for that post. All right, here's the next post from Metamaterials subreddit. I wanted to address people's emotions. Yeah, the stock market can be an emotional ride. I'm not in Metamaterials for, only a short-term gain, I should say, not trying to just cash out in a month or 6 months, but I'm looking to stay in this for quite a while. At least a year, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 10. I don't know. We'll see. But I think we should take the approach to the stock market, and in particular, these stocks like Metamaterials or GameStop, whether it's AMC or Be Big or Clover, whatever it is. We should take the same approach that we do with Bitcoin, that we do with these stocks, because look at Bitcoin when it was down at 30,000 US dollars, and I think even below that, people were just abandoning ship. They were panicking, thinking, oh, this is it. Bitcoin's done. No, look at it now. It's at an all-time high, isn't it? It's really recovered. And that's the way the stock market works too. If you just kind of back up a little bit and zoom out, see what's going on in the big picture, you'll see the real story. It's not a day-to-day battle. It's really it's a long-term battle. So don't give up. Keep your chin up, and just hold and just wait. It's all about waiting and also making sure your entry point wasn't too high. This is the last post and probably the biggest post of the day. This is talking about another one from StockTwits. Looks like we have a major partnership in the works from Colonel Clucker. So it says here, Metaair Group has patented use of our Nanoweb product. Who is Metaair? Metaair is the world's largest producer of major appliances, and they own Toshiba appliances. Wow, that's a big deal. It is the 288th ranked Fortune 500 company. Metaair Group, who owns Toshiba Lifestyle, have, hold on a sec, they patented the Nanoweb product. Okay, that they can use it. So they own Toshiba Lifestyle, which has 3 patents using metamaterials Nanoweb transparent metal mesh for their microwave products. Interesting. I had no idea they could get into microwaves, but now here we are. The patent is pending $41.44 billion total revenue. So just taking a small piece of that pie would be at least $1 million, wouldn't it? 150,000 employees over that number, 288th again in the Fortune Global 500, rolling mask lithography technology and or nanoweb nanostructure. EMI shielding effectiveness of about 30 to 70 decibels while maintaining optical transmittance of about 88 to 99%. I'm not going to copy and paste this all day. Someone else can do it. I got some work to do. Let's make money together. So here's the images there. Conventional microwave. So your run-of-the-mill Walmart microwave, I guess. Metamaterials microwave. So you can see it's more transparent. So poor visibility, and then that is pretty much, you could see it like there's nothing there. Okay, I'm going to open this patent up and see whether that is so. I don't know if there's any more from these links, but look into that. Obvious metamaterial application is obvious and awesome. This is a drop in the bucket. It could be huge revenue. All the companies have to adapt to stay competitive once one does. None of the links work. First 2 work for me. It took me to the same place that looked like fixed, and my bad. Okay. So metamaterials, they can get into practically anything. They are into the aerospace industry, aviation and aerospace, military application, possibly semiconductors, the automobile market with EVs and windshields, laser beam, windshield wipers. Looking at Samsung and the Samsung Fold, possibly. AR, XR, looking at blood sugar, blood glucose testing that is non-invasive. Enhancing technology such as, I believe MRI was one of them, and other diagnostic equipment. And now microwaves. That is a surprise to me. A microwave cooking appliance for increasing visibility. So this is just to increase visibility into the cooking cavity. The microwave cooking appliance may include a door. The door may include a conductive mesh layer. That is Nanoweb right there. The door may include a frame supporting the conductive mesh layer. No, it says may include a conductive and or sealing engagement between the conductive mesh layer and the frame. Classifications, okay. You know what? I don't see anything about Nanoweb. So what I'm going to do is Control F and type Nanoweb. And maybe even metamaterials, because there's just so many words on this screen. So Control F, and we'll see if we can find Nanoweb. Nanostructures, okay. Oh, there it is. There it is right there. I feel like I just found a comet. Nanoweb right there. That's metamaterials. Okay. All right. And I'm going to look at the Toshiba. Is Toshiba, is that confirmed? They are the ones. No, it doesn't say. How about Metaair? Was it Metaair? Metaair. Okay, there's 3. Oh, yeah, Metaair Group. Yeah. So it's there 3 times. Let's look at the other instances here. Application filed by Metaair Group. So this is recent, 2020. So it's been filed within the last year. Status pending. Publication. Okay. Wow, this is a really good find. Thank you for finding that. Okay, and here's their microwave. This is definitely going to be the thumbnail. Black stainless steel microwave. Smart matters. Okay. Do we see anything about the Nanoweb? Well, I mean, they're trying to make it more transparent, aren't they? The Toshiba. I've had a Toshiba microwave and it was really good. One of the best microwaves I ever owned, that I ever used, really. And a lot of industrial facilities, or even places like nursing homes and where they prepare food, on a large scale, use Toshiba and the metal stainless steel microwaves. Think of even 7-Eleven, they use Toshiba as well, if I'm not mistaken. So is there anything regarding the door and it being clear? Doesn't really mention that as a feature. Combines microwave and convention cooking. So that is more of a vanity thing. Yeah, it doesn't talk about its transparency there. Maybe that is still a product that they're working on. It doesn't seem to be released yet, but I don't know which one looks the nicest. Maybe the big one here. But anyway, I'm going to use that as a thumbnail for sure. And this is Midea Group's website. And according to that post, they do own Toshiba. So there's their businesses. Electromechanical, HVAC, robotics. They are a big company, Midea. Wow. Makes sense for them to get involved with metamaterials and vice versa, for metamaterials to get involved with Midea through Toshiba. So smart home, let's look at learn more. I don't know if Toshiba is listed there, but it's good to do our due diligence. So that's what we're doing right now. There it is, Toshiba, confirmed. Okay. So that's great. Metamaterials and Toshiba working together via the Midea Group connection. So that's all for this video. Very good due diligence being done by this poster and on this video as well. I don't want to just accept everything as gospel fact. No, you have to do your research, and that's what we just did here. So thank you very much for all the support. I appreciate it. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you would like more content like this. Yeah, please like, so I know you like the news ones, and or maybe comment whether you want them to be separate regarding the looking at the daily stock numbers, and then maybe the news will be in another video. I'm not sure. Whatever your preferences, let me know and see if I can work with that. And yeah, just thanks for all your support. May God bless you all, and may God bless your investments.